Listen, relationships are not something separate from you. They are an extension of you. How many of you are getting it? For example, how you relate with you, same way only you relate with others. There is no such thing. With you, you will relate nicely, and with others, you will go on be screaming. No. With you, you will be screaming inside, but with others, you will start smiling. No. It's not possible. When I say relationship, I don't mean only the people, spouse, husband, father, mother. No. Your relationship with everything. Your money, your relationship with your health, your relationship with the river, your relationship with the water, your relationship with the fire, your relationship with the air, everything, success. When I uttered the word success, I remembered. One Swami was supposed to stand in the election yesterday, withdrew on supporting us for Mahanirvani Akada. He was standing against us. I said, if there is a competition, I am not going to stand even. I am not even going to stand. Suddenly he withdrew yesterday night, saying that Swami is the right person. He should be the Acharya Mahamandaleshwar, and he started campaigning for us. It happens just like a regular election, where voting is done. I am the only candidate who never went for any canvassing. I did not sign any paper. I said, I will not nominate myself. I have not signed. To be Mahamandaleshwar also, you have to sign a nomination. I said, I will not sign. If you want, you declare. And they declared. Because 2-3 Akadas were fighting. Who is going to take me? Now the Acharya Mahamandaleshwar also, I did not file the nomination. I said, I won't file. If you guys come to me unanimously, then I will plan. And if you guys have anything, then listen. Success comes to you based on the space you carry. Suddenly from two big mutts, one Shankara Mutt, another one Mutt, my secretary was receiving the calls that they wanted to, one of their secretaries want to meet me. I said, how come? Why suddenly? Such big guys wanted to meet me? Because already the news has spread in Mahanirvani Akada that more than 85% people are supporting Nityananda Swami. I was thinking, oh God, even I did not know that I am such a big guy. Anyhow, I sent them the respects. I told, tell them to come, I will meet anytime. Or if they tell me, I will come, only my programs. So after the programs, I will come. No, I can see very clearly, please understand, especially after this religious persecution, I don't go to any mutt, any monastery, anybody. I just sit here and only do my work. All the posts, all the positions, all the VIPs, they are only coming here and meeting me. Earlier I used to go and meet. Now they are coming here and meeting me. The space you carry does the whole thing. Suddenly, yesterday, one phone call, one Pitadishwar, means Sri Mahant, a big mutt, calls my secretary and he says, I want to speak to Maharaj Ji. See, Maharaj Ji means head of your mutt. head of your organization is called Maharajji. I want to speak to Maharajji. Our guy said, Maharajji means, what do you mean? You are calling Nityananda Ashram. That guy said, yes, I'm calling Nityananda Ashram. Swamiji is the head of our ashram. Our guys are shocked. When we took over any mutt without even knowing our knowledge, then he said, no, Acharya Mahamandaleshwar is our head. He has written a will. Whoever becomes next Acharya Mahamandaleshwar, this property goes to them. So I am the in charge, Sri Mahant. I have to come and give the report of this month. And Akada has said that Swamiji is going to be the Mahamandaleshwar, Acharya Mahamandaleshwar. I have to come and give you the report. I thought, oh God. Please understand, not for any pride or anything, I am just giving you as an example. If you carry the space, if you are completely in tune, in good relationship with you, everything around you falls into you. Please listen. The relationships you did not give up on are equivalent to the extra hands you have. The relationships you gave up on is equivalent to the broken hands. Listen. If you have lived around me, you will know one of the biggest strength, my strength is I will not give up. These fellows will be doing the same mistake, but I will be giving the same solution for last 10 years. But here also I will give the same solution. Till they evolve. Some of the fellows in the ashram, they don't even have the intelligence to make new mistake. When I say some word, don't measure them with your eyes. Only learn the lesson I meant. I mean. Even if it is a dust, if it sits with the flower and gets into my head, it is in my head. Understand? It is worshipped. There are one group, the so-called devotees, constantly abusing, criticizing my ashramites. I am sick of them. I will discipline, I will correct, that is different. And they are at least trainable. You are sitting outside non-committed, you are not even trainable. The fellows who go on abusing my ashramites are trainable. I can tell them. If I tell you something, you will run away in next 2 days. Anyhow, listen and catch the, I will not give up, that is my strength. How many of you have seen that my not giving up in your life directly? Or you heard from the people? I'll scream as if now if you don't transform, you will be killed. But even if you don't transform for 12 years, I will not reduce the spirit of screaming, I will continue to scream. Usually what you do, when you train people, you don't show that strength of training. Same way, when you, after 2 times, if they are not trained, you give up on them. Both are wrong. In training, I will train as if you don't transform now, you are dead. But he will not be transformed for next 10 years. He will be doing the same nuisance. I will continue to be screaming same way. But I won't give up. Not giving upon people. Listen. Only when you don't give up on you, you will not give up on others. Please understand, I am giving you some of the basic tips to raise you to the real understanding about relationship. If you give up on others, you will simply give up on you. If you have the pattern of giving up on others, I guarantee you will have depression. Because depression is nothing but you mentally giving up on you. How many of you have the pattern of giving up on people? I told, they are not listening, what can I do? All of you be very clear, you will all have depression. Maybe having or yet to get. But you are on the path of depression. No, it's true. Whether it is in your office, in your house, in your team, in your business, anywhere. If you give up on people, you will just give up on you and fall into depression. You are moving towards depression. Because, listen, please listen, drop everything and listen. I'm still seeing people writing. No. Drop the pen, paper, listen. The conflict outside, if you give up, why you give up? Because you don't have the clear ideas to move further. Understand? You don't have the integrity and authenticity to break through that conflict, to break open that conflict. That is why you give up. So you are not able to face the conflict. Am I right? So the same thing only for you inside also. When the conflict comes, you don't have enough integrity, authenticity, words, right understanding to break open it. You will give up on you. So giving upon others and giving upon you is one and the same. You can't say, I will not give up on me, but I will give up on others. No. If you have a depression, you have given up on yourself mentally. If you are not successful, you give up on yourself confidence. The confidence you carry on you, you give up on you. All failures are nothing but giving up on you. Listen. Failing is not failure. Quitting is failure. Failing is not failure. Quitting is failure. When you give up on you, failure happens to you. Not till then. Not till then. Failure happens to you when you give up. Not till then. Not before. Giving up. Listen. the speed with which you give up others, if I give up on you, what will happen? No one will be here. Whenever you don't give up on people and you break big obstacles towards enlightenment. Whatever makes you feel that you should give up is the biggest obstacle. If you break that and don't give up on you and others, you have moved closer to enlightenment. You move to the next step.